Na swim kahit naulan. Oy, naulan. Be careful, Andre. Uy, yung pag, oh. Go, go. Woo! Ang pag, oh. Yeah.
It's winning.
Yeah, wag dyan, dito tayo.
There's another one. Daddy, there's another one.
Ano, you wanna try?
Daddy, where do we put it? Oh, the big. Daddy, look here. I'm sure you're in.
Malamig yan, malamig. Woo! Woo, lamig! Malamig, malamig!
Wait, I'm going inside. Goodbye.
Wait lang, malamig. It's cold, it's cold. Kaya mawakan si Andre? Hawakan mo, ah.
3 feet lang to.
Ha?
It's so cold! Oh, lamig!
Lamig talaga. Kasi mapag yun, yun. Woo, ang pag. Tapos naliligo kayo. Nakari tayo kay mami na ito.
Wait, is this waterproof?
Yes.
Oh, so we just keep it on until we leave?
There.
I'm gonna cannonball!
There.
No, Andrew, no.
There.
You're gonna hit your head. Okay. Dive in tayo. Saan na kaya si Mommy? Can I follow that? Go, look inside.
Okay. Swimming kami. Naulan. Dito sa Tanay. Woo! Tignan niyo yung weather, guys. Woo! Ayun si mami, oh. Yari ka. Yeah, tiis lamig. Woo! Tiis lamig. Woo! Tiis lamig sila. Pero parang tolerable naman, guys. Woohoo! Welcome! Welcome to Tanay! Dito kami sa... Saan tayo? 10 cents leisure camp here in Tanay. Sarap ng weather, eh. Swimming weather talaga to, eh. Naulan. Oy. Pag ginangatog na, bababa na tayo, ha. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Waui, Maui Waui. Maui, hindi pa na kaya. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ang lamig! Woo! Pero masarap! Woo! Woo! Ang lamig pero masarap! Yeah! Woohoo!
I can finally dive! I really dive! I did swimming!
Sarap, di naman siya ganong kalamigan. Pero naulan. Naulan, guys. Naulan. Swimming kami. Woohoo! Woohoo! Swimming sa malamig na panahon. Happy vacation! Woo! Advance celebration! Sige, try natin doon. Mo si Ed. Mo si Ed. Ay, yun siya na, 5 feet. shots. Woohoo! Yes, si Andre. Sakit, Andre. Sarap, di na makalamigan. Perfect dito, perfect spot. Pwede tayo dito. Laidanos, pwede tayo dito. Hindi naman malamig, no? Sakto lang, no? Sige. Try to go over there. Come on. Awakan ka naman ni Daddy. Awa ka ni Daddy. Dito lang siya, ayaw niya.
Hoy, Sarah!
Three, go! Woohoo! What's up? Woohoo! Enjoy ka ba dyan? So much fun! Woo! Diba, Jaya? It's perfect?
Yeah.
This is simultaneous, but it's perfect. Spontaneous pala. Spontaneous. Woohoo! Woohoo! Sarap. Isa pa. One dive. 1, 2, 3, dive!
Father, can you take me over there, joke lang?
Woo! Sarap! Woo! Nice.
Oh, the camera. Anyway, are you still gonna eat the sugar cookie or not? Yes or no? Yeah, I'm still scared. Yeah, can we have that? Like, no, you already had small stuff. Okay. So we can...
Anong bonus?
Dad, I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. Can you order the same things we ordered last time? Daddy, can
Sarap mag-swimming dito, guys. Babalik kami dito. Balik tayo dito, na. Ha?
Oh no, there's a lot of you. We're gonna go swimming underwater because we know. Let's see what they do underwater.
1, 2, 3, go! Lubog! So much fun! Woo! Awa naman si Andre. Nilalamig na si Andre. Woo! Isa niya yung view namin, oh. Woo! There's a drone shot! Woo! Drone shot!
Yes, with Ender. Ender, magbigay ka that.
Naka-Ender. Hey!
Oh yeah, let's do this the country.
What's that?
No, it's
Perfect here, perfect.
Mommy, do you have the towel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dito kami,
okay.
swimming kami nila. Si Andre. Going back to Honolulu ka na? Hawak man Andre, nilalamig.
How much hours are we gonna take to get home?
Hours? Plus, mga 2 hours siguro.
We're gonna stay here?
Oo, 2 hours. Ano tayo mamaya? Hanggang 10:30 tayo.
Why?
Dito? Hanggang kailan nyo gusto mag-swimming pa? Wala? Gusto nyo pa mag-swimming?
Guys, I see the like a rainbow
much fun?
dots on the screen. Yeah, but I see rainbow dots on the screen.
Rainbow dots?
Yeah.
Try going to the other pool naman and try to go to the deep side.
Yes lang nyo, perfect din nyo.
Slippers ni Ann. Walang mahirap sa inyo ah.
Bye Andre. Bye bye. See you later. Piniti ko sa'yo. 4,
I shall be your pare.
Sasama ka? 1, 2, 3. It's so much fun! One more dive. Hindi ko kayo kaya. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Sarap dito ah. Gutom tayo ka. Sabay. Oh. Sakay. One, two, three. Nasaan kayo? Ba't nawala kayo?
I am taking over Daddy's vlog. So let's go underwater diving. Hang on. Dive underwater. Wait, ito talaga, no? Daddy! You're a horsey when you go on the ground. In the water, you're a seahorse. Hey, there move.
Grabe, ang ganda dito. Ganda ng view. May swimming pool. Kita mo yung mountains. Verde yung mga bata, oh. Woo! Dito, oh. Woo, mountains. Ang ganda. Nasa taas na pala talaga kami ng bundok. Literally, nasa taas na pala talaga tayo ng bundok, Dea. May swimming pool dito. Saka dito. Tapos dito bundok. Talagang nasa taas na pala talaga kami ng bundok. Ang lamig. Try namin kung makapunta pa kami mamaya sa ano. Punta ba tayo sa windmill mamaya? Windmill, gusto nyo windmill? Gusto nyo punta sa windmill?
Fine, pero mabilis.
Malapit na yun dito eh.
Fine, pero dapat mabilis. Plus
Okay.
quick stop, it's going to take longer.
Okay lang, enjoy the trip. Let's enjoy the trip, ha? Let's enjoy the trip. Ganda oh. Nasa mountain na pala talaga tayo mga anak. Tara. Savoring the moment. Thank you, Lord. Mag-swimming. Dito kami sa Orange. Yung malaki, oh. Dito kami sa 10 cents leisure camp sa Tanay Rizal. Sarap dito. Hindi malamig yung tubig. Kayang-kaya. Tolerate.
This is waterproof.
Okay lang. Ang matawin ka dyan. Nandito naman tayo.